Picky.
I think his name was Kochiro. I think.
Is that the family name?
No, because no, it's not. It's not Kaede, but I think her real name is different.
Same stage. Oh, that owl looks sick though. What's the name of the owl? Like,
It's Roberto. I am the owl. I am Sasuna's owl. Poke! Poke!
wow.
TP! Fuck up! He got slides though.
No, didn't believe, never believe. You gotta do what? You gotta believe. Yo, this is punishable as
I mean, my shouldn't be.
Shinken Speaker Hajime. Wow. Oh no. Wow. I can follow up with something. I tried that a long time ago. Fucking hell. Oh my god. Oh, he's got the piece.
I don't know what to do.
That was too random. That was too random.
I'm so dumb. I never can remember
Never can remember.
his moves.
What?
I don't know why.
You wanna take a look at the command?
No, it's okay. Should be okay. Actually, that's okay.
Setsuna. I like his design really much. Kinda looks like a K-Dash, you know?
It's a mixture of Kadas and Yuri.
Yeah. Like long hair. White hair. Purple shit. Edgy as fuck. Wait. That was nah. It wasn't a true combo, but still.
I'll take it.
It wasn't a true combo though. No,
No.
I did it. I did it too early. Oh, can you stop?
No.
Can you stop?
Madonna, I was.
No. That was my super. No, I didn't believe. Hey.
Maybe she can reach. She can reach.
No, I think he has a reach though. She's gotta reach for her dreams. Huh?
Hey. Hey.
Wait. Oh, Madonna.
Hold you.
Oh. Mudada. Jikan no Mudada.
Fake out.
No, I wanted to do the shit. I want to do the shit for the shit. Oh, fucking yeah. There's DP.
Oh no. Oh, crushes lows.
You crushed that low, that's true.
My kid.
Gotta watch out for the low. Get low. Oh. 50%?
Yup.
Oh, wow.
No, I wasn't prepared. It was easy as fuck.
Wow.
I got him. Yeah.
Oh, Madonna. Oh.
Okay.
I did it.
No!
DP didn't came out. I'm out of here.
No!
Is that a command grab?
I think so. I hoped. Back. No!
You wanted to. No, timer scam. You won. You still won.
I mean, that's the only way, you know. That's how it should be.
This is so unfair.
It's
no,
not unfair.
No, it's unfair because
No,
just because time
no,
doesn't stop.
the game was like, no, we cannot let them let it end like that. Rod can't lose.
Yeah, the game had pity.
No,
Yeah.
the game saw how great, how it saw my greatness.
I'm gonna write a message to SNK, like an angry Twitter. At SNK, please fix Lost Blade 2, man. Yo, that was that bullshit though.
I think it was really cool.
Mentally I won. You know that.
Mentally, you what?
Yeah, I won. I sliced you.
I mean, I got back up.
Yeah, but at what cost? I sliced your soul.
I got W. You got an L.
Uh,
Thought you was win.
no.
Wow, bravo.
No. Oh damn. Oh Madonna.
Yeah. Oh dear. I was like, what is doing?
You kind of don't react to those. You're like,
Yeah, like,
like what is he doing? Like, oh, I'ma just blow. And then it hits you, but it's too late.
like this one.
Like this, yeah.
Region. Maar wie kan ze blokken? Oeps. Oeps.
Moet it die? Oeh, I thought it was on block. No. Oh.
Oh, I thought I couldn't punch it.
Yo. Oh, nice.
Ah, I don't know what to do. Oh dear.
Oh no. I just walked into that.
It's
Oh
so
yeah,
punch.
I'm a machine run now.
I'm a machine gun. Kick you. So cool.
Yo, that reach. Oh no, no. Not van cool, va. Oh my goodness.
No.
No, I did the super. I did the super.
Oh, Madonna.
And Earth. I'm back in the game, baby. I'm back in the game. Oh no. Oh. Wow.
No! I thought I. Oh no! He did the command grab.
What?
Huh?
What were you trying to do?
I want to try to do the super, like the command grab super. I think it's a command grab. I don't think. I don't know. Let's go with. Let's go with Satsuna.
Satuna, yo.
This game is really fun to play.
Satuna. Last one?
Oh. I'll do last one with Kochiro though.
Okay. Yo, I got jabs. That was a 3-hit combo.
Oh, I have first that. That's Luxembourgish for eat that shit. No! Ooh. Oh. Nie. Kiro. Aua. Oddio.
Oh, nice.
No, it's too, no, I have to do it later. No.
Later?
Yeah, because I do it too soon.
You have to do it right.
I have to do it right. That's what I'm saying. The mind games, because of the parries.
I know that you know that you know that.
No.
Ding. Mudada. Oh damn!
Wow.
I jumped back.
I knew that. Of course.
Oh no.
Mudada.
Mudada.
Voilà. Oddio. No. Too soon.
No. What?
No.
What?
I mean.
No punish. What happened?
I don't know.
Are you kind of invincible?
Huh? Question mark.
Damn.
I just do.
Noobs discover last play.
I mean,
What is this shit?
we didn't lie when we said we are not pros in this game. We don't know jack shit. But we like. That's what matters. Beef.
Hate is wanna hate. Love is wanna love. Just play your fighting games.
Oh, no, none of the above.
Yeah, and just stay away from Twitter. What? And now. Whoa! Mudada! Yo! I can't hit you. I can't hit you! What is this sorcery?
I found something.
Yo!
No!
Parry that shit.
No!
It's yeah. This time, the time is on my time. No, is on my side.
Yeah, no. Time, you betrayed me. Let's do this.
Last one.
We can do the last one.
Can I change the colors?
Just push another button now. Like X or quadrate.
No.
Square. What's a quadrate?
A quadrate. Square, yeah. Quadrat is in Deutsch. German.
I mean, that's a boy rock, no? Quadrat.
Quadrat.
Quadrat. Meter! I hate this matchup though.
Can you parry this one? Parry the
Ooh.
shit.
I don't know. I don't want to risk it.
Maybe. Abune. Vaffanculo. Okay.
Madonna, damage though. She does like damage. Maar hij frustrerend.
Vaffanculo.
I'm just do this.
Oh! No, that was a crow sape. Oh.
Oh dear.
Was a cross up?
Yes. And I blocked it last minute. Last second. Last blade.
What?
What?
That's the meaning of Last Blade. No!
That was fair. Voila! I knew that!
So you got one round, baby.
Oof.
Final round. Come on, guys, make some noise, come on. Shinken speaker, how do you mean? Oh, Madonna. Oh.
Oh dear.
Oh, good touch.
Oh dear. Wow.
It was a cross up too. Oh, Madonna. Oh. No. 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 Oh. Let me breathe. Let me breathe.
Oh.
No, I did the shit. Now I have no shit. No. No.
Yeah. 6 seconds.
I tried. I tried. So it's full screen.
Kinda.
No, kinda. I was all over the edge.
That was not the full animation.
Wow. So this game is not good because I lose. But
I mean, you won.
But yeah, some good ass sessions.
That's what we do. We're trying to show you some games that we love. And Last Blade 2 is one of them.
I mean, it got some small resurgence with the rollback thing.
Yeah.
So we thought, why not showing you this game, because it's really one of our favorites, right? Like,
Yeah.
We love Darkstalkers,
Rival
Schools, Last Blade,
Soul Blade.
Soul Blade.
I mean, what don't we love?
That's true. There's some fighting games that we didn't play, so
Yeah,
Virtua Fighter, for example.
I want to try that though.
I want to try it though. Yeah, that's true.
Also some Hyper Fighter, but not
But
random.
those are kind of hard to get into.
Yeah.
This, But yeah, so this was some good ass Last Blade 2 matches with my brother Hrod,
Hrod and Alexein.
and I'm Alexein, and I'ma be out of here, Alexein.
What?
I tried.
Ali. Hope you enjoyed, guys, and see you next time.
See ya.